Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today, we want to take a look at another series of general positive question. As I've deposited a video yesterday, today we want to take a look at another dimension of question under the positive. As science students out there who are willing or sitting for positive, these are the kind of question you come across. And how do you tackle this kind of question in just few minutes? So come closer, let me show you the beauty behind how you can easily answer these types of question. Come closer. The first thing, the question goes thus: the shapes of CO2, carbon dioxide, H2O water, and CH4 methane respectively. A. Bent, linear, and tetrahedral. B. Bent, tetrahedral, and linear. C. Tetrahedral, linear, and bent. D. Linear, bent, and tetrahedral. And can easily deduce this kind of question and the answer to this kind of question. So come closer, let me show you guys. One thing you need to know is that the first compound there is CO2. Are you with me now? The second compound there is water, and the last one is CH4. Are you with me now? So this CO2, which is carbon dioxide, you need to understand the concept of bonding. And if you have that idea of bonding, these types of question, you won't have any problem having the right answer to this. Note one thing, for this CO2, this carbon will be the central atom. And note one thing, carbon is 2,4, while our oxygen is 2,6. This one you have here will stand as the outer electron, while this will as well stand as the outer electron. I'll be showing you guys not only the shape but as well as the bond angle of each of the compound given to us on the board. Now, this we have 1, 2, 1, 2. That is the 4 outer electron, and mind you, we have 2 oxygen here, and the outer electron of oxygen here is 6. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when looking at this now, if you are to join this together, you join this together, at the end we'll be having this. So this is a good example of what we call a linear, and the bond angle is 180 degree. Are you seeing it now? For this, we have H2O, water. What is the angular shape of water? We all know that we have 2 angular shape of water. Either we call it bent or we call it V shape. In some cases, you can find it as angular shape. So now, the central atom here will be oxygen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our hydrogen is 1. The second one is also what? 1. So in some cases, if we are to represent this, we'll be finding it like this. So we call it what? 105 degrees Celsius or 104.5. So either we call it bent or we call it V shape or we call it angular shape. Are you with me now? And the last one is methane. So for this methane, the outer electron of carbon is 4. And carbon will be representing as the central atom. If you have come across some of my videos at which I explain the VSPER, valence shell electron repulsion, valence shell electron pair repulsion, we guide you to deduce your bond angle, we guide you to deduce the central atom, we as well guide you to deduce the shape of that compound. Is that clear now? So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are having 4 hydrogen. This is the first hydrogen here. we have the second hydrogen here, we have the third hydrogen here, and we have the fourth hydrogen here. So when you combine these together, we have the structure of methane. Mind you, this is methane, this is water, and mind you, we have carbon dioxide for this. Now, how can we easily deduce our shape? The shape of methane, as far as bonding is concerned, is tetrahedral. So with that, we have 109.5 degrees Celsius. And this represents our tetrahedral. So guys, I'm not showing you guys only the shape, the name of the shape of each of the compound given to you, whereas I'm showing you guys the bond angle of each of the compound given to us. So the first one is linear, the second one is bent, and the last one is tetrahedral. So let's take a look at the options here. Which one best fits the solution at which we have on the board? The one that is best fits the answer and the position at which we are given the compound. The first one is carbon dioxide, which is what? Linear, this. The second one is water, which is bent, or we call it V-shape or angular shape, which is this. And the last one is tetrahedral. So our answer is D. So as an undergraduate who are willing to sit for the forthcoming post-UTME examination, this type of question are the types you are going to come across with. And how do you tackle this type of question? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share among your colleagues. Don't forget, we'll be dropping videos on general post-UTME question as far as the examination is coming. Thanks, and do well to comment.